Did you ever get surprised by watching Facebook contents on your feed? The Facebook ads that we see in the posts we search for are usually the result of Facebook marketing tools navigating ads towards the target audience. Actually, what we see in Facebook is guided by Facebook rules, and these rules are called as the Facebook algorithms. Business brands utilize these algorithms to be on top of the search list and increase their capabilities to improve their business with Facebook as a part of their social media marketing strategies. Do you know how Facebook algorithms work? You can improve your business output through digital marketing. Many businesses are striving to use this feature as the essential social media optimization technique. The following are some vital techniques of Facebook algorithms we will discuss in detail. Regular frequency of posts. It is a great way to engage customers with regular and frequent posts, but that doesn't mean that it will significantly impact a business perspective. Regularly, if the business page posts 3 posts per day, then the first post will affect the other 2 postings. Instead of posting a lot of posts in your feed, use Facebook Stories to convey other matters that influence the business positively. Stories are creative and engaging. They will act as the medium to influence people. As per the survey, businesses which used stories have reported about 62% hike in their sales. Motivate your audience by providing value. Help people with posts that are useful as well as informative to the audience. Valuable information will always make people follow your page and stick onto your products. Look for what audience expects from the business. Meeting the expectations is a great way to retain customers. In this way, a company can build a brand with value-added services. Connect with genuine conversations. Facebook aims to bring the world closer together, and Facebook algorithms complete this purpose. Facebook encourages conversations by asking questions and discussion. It will impact the audience and brings a lot of attention. Questions from the audience asking, why, and how, can either be a blessing or a curse, because they require lengthy answers and clear examples, which may in turn initiate larger discussion leading to either positive or negative comments. When we interact with the audience, it will direct Facebook algorithms to show our feed to the enormous audience. Never paste other links in the description. Facebook algorithms never allow their users to go out from their platform. If Facebook detects any other site links, it will try to mitigate the reach to only a few people. Instead of using links in the description, we may reply to the people's comment with the link. For that ideal conversation will be best suitable. Attractive content. Usually, the posts will appear for 48 to 72 hours in the Facebook platform. If we create valuable and attractive content, then it will be there for weeks together in the audience with Facebook algorithms. Always remember that if the content is not right, it will not reach the expected audience. That is why it is essential for business page to create engaging content that will stay long in the feed with audience comments, shares and likes. Length of a video. Many people are unsure about how long a video's length should be. This will ultimately depend on the content. Facebook algorithms supports video length that is 10 minutes long. However, make such content short and brief. It will be easy for audience to watch. Facebook algorithms will attract those videos which have less filtered contents and do not have many effects. This will attract audience more than the filtered videos. Vertical videos. Smartphone revolution made vertical videos famous. It is ultimately a choice, but vertical videos make audience more engaging and attract more audience. Especially on Facebook and Instagram, this vertical video formats are creating revolutionary impacts. Avoid saying, share the post. Share the video, comment below, tag your friends. These notifications will impact your audience and Facebook algorithms listening to everything. It will directly impact on the number of audience it reaches. The audience does not like when we post some contents to share with their friends and family. Algorithms delete such kind of contents because they are not the real content for professional conversations. Instead of asking them to share the post, we may use the emojis to convey the same. But overdoing the same is also not beneficial. Train Facebook algorithms. Before posting, if we go to the messenger box and text a few people, it will activate the Facebook algorithms. After posting the picture or video on the Facebook feed, Replying to the post comments will make algorithms active, making your posts reach many people. The more active your page is, the more views will come. Before posting on your Facebook, make sure you like and comment on other people's posts and pictures. Facebook rewards those who engage with other people, not just expecting others to react on your posts. Best time to post. The high time for the audience to be online, that will be the best time for the post on Facebook, and other than business hours will be the best time for posting online. Usually, the best time for posting is between 9 p.m. and 11 p.m., when people settle down and look at what is going on in Facebook. Conclusion. The Facebook algorithms are driving businesses in the social media market to reach high numbers and add value to the product by generating huge results. Proper use of Facebook algorithms will impact businesses to move on to the next step in not just creating awareness and engaging, but also in reaching out to a larger crowd of prospective users or buyers at the shortest span of time. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.